Alright everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I think today we're going to finally move the car to the new storage unit. So, we're borrowing a trailer from work. Hey Snoozer. Yeah, we're borrowing a trailer from work and we're going to get after it. So, meet you over the storage unit. We're going to go get the car, put it on the trailer, and bring it to the new storage unit. Should be pretty sick. It's gonna be a pain because I'm by myself and it's car's heavy, but not too heavy because, you know, no motor, no transmission, no interior, stuff like that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I was lucky enough to be able to borrow this trailer from my little side gig, my little other job, and he was happy to loan it to me to do this. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, I mean, I enjoy hauling a trailer. I know it's weird, but I enjoy hauling a trailer. I've had tons of trailers over the years. I've had car trailers, a couple gooseneck trailers. I've had dump trailers. I've had car trailers. Did I say that already? I've had enclosed trailers. I had an enclosed landscaping trailer for a while. That was pretty sweet. But yeah, I mean, I guess I'm a trailer fan. I don't know. I do miss my last car trailer. My last car trailer was pretty sweet. It was a 18-foot car trailer with a little dovetail on it. Tom, my buddy, had put a winch on it when it was down in South Carolina. He put a nice like 8,000 pound winch on it. We hauled my original 300ZX twin turbo that I had back then. He hauled that, and then I brought that trailer back up north and ended up selling it. I went into a business and I needed the capital for the business, so I ended up selling it. Do I regret it? Smidge. I mean, car trailers are a dime a dozen. You can go buy one tomorrow, you know what I mean? But so yeah, I guess I'm kind of a trailer nerd. I don't know, but let's go get this car and get it moved so we can end this day. But we'll see you at the unit. All right, let's get this beast loaded. See where these ramps land. This is going to be much more difficult by myself, but we're going to send it anyways. I think I'm going to crank the trailer and get it to turn a little more. See how that goes. That honestly looks much better from here already. Perfect. Should be decent view from there. Let's see how this goes. You just hear me fighting for my life out here because I can't breathe. That's not that neat at all. Really wish I had a winch. Oh well. They folded the rear bumper. Whoopsie. Guess we'll get a couple straps and see if we can pull her with some straps. All right, here we go. So my phone got too hot and basically ruined it, but what we did is we hooked a strap to the truck, unhooked the trailer, and then just pulled the strap with the car, e-brake on in the trailer, and she's on. So now we just got to get it over the other unit. And this one's almost empty, so that's good. There she is though. We do a walk around on her. She's such a beaut, dude. I can't wait to actually start legitimately working on this thing. She's gonna be so fun. She's gonna slide like a beast with that LS in her. But yeah, all right, let me get it strapped up. Dude, I am dying from this. Whew. Yeah, that was not fun, but it's on the trailer. It looks sick. That's all that matters, really. Manifold's freaking heavy. This is all the old exhaust from the car. Good for scrap metal. Let's see. This is all stuff that I've been trying to sell for a while, and nobody wants it, so to the scrapyard it goes. Kind of sucks, but here's what it is. Try and save this clamp. Big clamps are decent. Pipe, not so decent. Automatic drive shaft, junk. Who's switching to automatic anyways these days? Good AC compressor for Duramax, junk. We'll put this up here. Doesn't get mistaken for junk. It's a whole stack exhaust setup, bed stack exhaust setup for Duramax. Nobody wants it. Scrap it. These I'm gonna throw away, but they can't go in the scrap pile. All right. Oh, one more thing, the alternator. Another screwdriver in the front somewhere.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Oh,
you're fine. Hey, how you doing? This is the 240. We just 240'd it out here. It was like, what?
You need to be fired.
me?
Yeah.
Whoa. I'm just getting B-roll.
What'd you say about your B-hole?
Let that B-roll. Oh, whoa.
Oops.
You gotta rub it in there.
Yeah. Oh, why do I have
Oh,
this
sorry.
shirt on? Because my other shirt.
Oh, immediately
Oh,
just
here
talks
we
about
go
his
again.
stupid shirt, dude.
Here
Your
we
shirt.
go.
What'd you say? Don't say that.
So- hey, don't worry. He's not mic'd up. It's
Hold
fine.
on. Here. Speak into this. For sure.
Oh, for sure.
For sure.
Whoa, whoa! Skeeters.
Skeeter, don't need her.
In case anybody didn't know. It's about
For
1 million
sure.
mosquitoes.
What is this, dude? Come here.
All
Look at
in
this.
there.
What is this?
You gotta figure out how to use like the tilt on this thing.
Yeah, it's kind of weird, to be honest.
Yeah, keep going.
Some of it come off or no?
So, yeah, like it looks better, but like
Oh yeah, it's gonna need like it needs like a plastic like razor blade.
yeah. Oh, for sure. For sure.
All right, I think we're gonna undo some stuff in the engine bay.
Let's do it.
Oh, for sure.
Get rid of some of the AC and the wiring and see what we get out of this.
All the junk
As soon as
you
I
don't
stop
need.
itching from mosquitoes. It's not from mosquitoes, dude. It's from the.
Hey, off if you want to sponsor us.
Look, it's a Bonnie meal.
We appreciate it.
A travel one.
Travel Bonnie meal.
Keep just saying one thing, dude. All right, bet. Ruins his shirt, gets all mad, and just leaves.
Hey, so I hear we're buying company shirts.
No, we can't, dude. Johnny ruined his shirt. Can't buy any company shirts.
Chicky later, chicky later.
Chicken leader. How's that? It's not drifting, but close enough.
God damn. Shit's hella good.
Yeah, it's like that sap's on there and then it just gets baked onto there.
Who did?
It's just people that work over there.
Who did?
You got that impact, Josh?
Who did? Who did?
Does it still have a 10mm on it? Sweet.
Who did?
Who did it? Who did it?
The golden 10mm.
The infamous. Whoa. Wait.
Wait a minute.
Why does it say right hand? Right hand S13. Does that mean it was a right hand drive?
Have some modifications.
Sorry, that's probably super loud. That's interesting.
Let's see if we can get this on here.
I think that's what that means.
See if the camera will pick it up.
Pretty much everything comes apart with a 10mm, it seems.
Where do you see that?
What? RH.
RH.
RH S13.
Interesting.
And then it says under here too RHL S13 or
Yeah,
yeah.
model.
You have Milwaukee batteries here?
No. I don't have any Milwaukee tools, unfortunately.
Yeah, but there's nothing in the cab that would
I'm
make
not
it look
I'm not
like-
rich like that.
Kidding.
I don't know what that does. Going in, dude.
This is a good boy.
It's just a
Excuse me?
good boy. It's just a good boy.
Good compliment, dude.
It's a good boy.
This is a good boy.
Yeah, I love those videos when someone walks up to a cop and they go, "What's your badge number?" And then the cop's like,
What
cop's
is
like,
it?
"Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5." And then they're like, "Good boy.
Yeah, you're a good boy.
Who's a good boy?"
You listen.
We get
Yeah, Johnny just says that to me,
Um, 100
and then I
likes
call
on
him
this
Unc.
video. Justin will go up to a cop and do that.
Yeah.
What?
We get 100 likes in the video.
I'll
Oh.
do what?
Nice engine.
I'll just be a good boy.
Got the Lamborghinis going on here.
Yeah, dude. It's Croc style.
Lamborghini model.
Croc, please sponsor me.
Ooh, Yep.
I don't know why, but you need to
There's
just
2
sponsor me.
videos now that we've asked for Croc
Yeah,
sponsorships. with no answer.
Get it together, Croc. Honestly.
We're also currently seeking an off sponsorship as well. The not
Nah.
sponsored.
No,
not
we
a
hate
product
we hate the
placement.
mosquitoes, bro. We don't
Right.
want to sponsor them.
Yeah. All millions of mosquitoes currently live here.
Billions and billions of mosquitoes. Dude, there's just wires everywhere. What do these wires go to? Just like zip tie every
trash.
random places. Is there a pair of cutters in here? Yep. No.
Excuse me? YouTube, edit that out.
Oh, that's not
That's
good.
a
I
pretty
didn't want to
clean
do that.
car. Looks like it's been detailed. You auto detailing? Oh my god, is that my neck? Oh my goodness. I tried to
Assassinate
go
you?
over the arteries.
Good thing they don't go in that deep.
That's what she said.
Yeah, she did. I think. I don't know. Oh, let's go.
Oh, mint.
Yeah, we got mine to do still.
Where's
Though.
this thing go in there?
Just, don't try not to break it. I would like to keep those. Hopefully mine comes out.
We need this to come out though too, the actual little clip. Your clip came out, right?
Yeah, you're gonna take the screw out of that. Here, you want this one? I got it.
No, this one's not bad.
What's under this?
Keeping this clip, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah. Try and keep as much of that stuff as you can somewhat together.
Should be able to clip it on there.
Because honestly,
There you
after I swap the hatch, we'll probably. We got some work done on the 240. Got the rust-free hatch on today. We got new ignition installed, so we can actually turn the steering wheel and it doesn't lock up on us. And then we also got some stuff out of the engine bay. Took the AC lines out, took the AC condenser out. Yeah. Yo, did you get a hole in your shirt, bro?
Oh yeah, I did.
What happened?
Yeah, somebody's. Oh,
Hey, yo, cheers in the fucking. Hey, just wanted to come on here and thank everybody for watching this week's video. Remember, if you like it, give it a like. If you could subscribe. If you're not, there's a huge amount of you that are watching that aren't subscribed, so hit that subscribe button for your boy. We did a whole bunch of weird stuff, but it is what it is. If you guys could like and subscribe, comment on the video, that'd be awesome. We really appreciate that, and we'll see you on the next one.